8:50. Oh my god. Went to bed way too late. Today is a very exciting day. Oh. Today we're gonna go to the matcha farms. The Nekohama Matcha Farms. I haven't even seen it yet, so it's time to wake up. Guys, it is raining. Good morning. Team is ready. We're at the Nekohama, Japan headquarters. Max making us.
This is our newest single cultivar organic okumidori.
Wow. We're going to the farms. We are trying to find our plots right now and it's pouring rain, which is not helpful. Also, I chugged that matcha this morning on an empty stomach and I'm like, I feel a little delulu, but there's a lot of farms here, but all the different plots are owned by different people, different companies. Guys, we're lost in the fields. We're at the field. My camera is going to get wet. Nekohama fields, you guys. This is our first time seeing it. So crazy. It's gonna be my intro of the vlog. And 2, and 3. We are not the Lulu on caffeine this morning from all the tea. Okay, I think the boys are calling us, so we're gonna go. So next year is going to be our very first like kind of harvest here, and basically these are tenchalis, which is the green tea plants. This is not immediately matcha yet, so to make it matcha you have to change the fertilizer, the planting, we need to shade it. So next spring is going to be the first time that we're actually trying this out. So I think next year we're going to be back here. Max is going to bring some volunteers working on this fields. This is where we will be. Wait, that is so cute. What is it? Did you bring that? Wait, I need one of those. I want to get one for Katsu. So what's your fit today?
My fit is some COS pants, Uniqlo, custom Nekohama embroider.
How fancy she looks.
Trench from Maine.
Walker always finds the best vintage. You look so chic in the rain. We're just here like in the wet. Caroline's umbrella is fitting for her too. Yeah. Everyone got their little personality. We've got Nico there in the fields taking some pig. It's a rainy day.
Hi there, team. Umbrella's collapsed and gone. And I'll be such a Sanne.
You have your hands down and like go up. Like, we bought a farm!
We bought a farm!
We bought a
farm! Should we just throw Sanne into this? Yeah! Oh no! Just Jason looked at me there, rolled over the shoulders like, yeah! Oh, you know what's up? Just going a bit like... As much as I love the idea, it looks like you guys are just peeing against the bushes.
A little leaf inspection, you guys, everyone.
Like all the girls are following the instructions and Max is like, aha! Hey! What's going on?
Good morning. We're here in Nagoya. We took the train yesterday that I actually didn't vlog. I don't know if you've traveled around Europe or anywhere with a lot of luggage, but on the train stations it's always so chaotic, especially because we're never really very on time. So yeah, this is actually the city where Max's family is from. Your mom is here, your grandma, so we're going to be visiting them today. We're going to shoot at the factory, so it'll be a lot of fun.
And we have the entire Nekohama team here.
And the team is here to meet the grandma, which
my
is...
grandma, not Bella.
She's like your grandma, but also like
She is
the
the grandma.
So So yeah, we're gonna head there right now. I quickly got ready. I'm wearing a quick top from COS. These pants are super long from Rogue. This is the bag. I'm probably just gonna put a little trench coat on it because it might be raining. So let's head up. Hello!
Hello!
金庫ができる？
あ、金本も。
あ
もう忘れ。美味しい。見てもう一つ手添えないやん。
Perfect.
こののダメ。
Okay, got some matcha in, got some chocolate in. Okay guys, sorry it is a little windy right now, but we're walking. We're gonna go to lunch. We've been to this restaurant actually kind of every time we go to Nagoya. It's Max grandma's favorite place. And then the whole team is here, so we're gonna have team lunch with the fam. This afternoon, we're gonna go to the hotel. Did you bring your workout clothes? Good. So the girlies wanted to do a workout, and I was like, you know what? We have a gym in the hotel, so we're gonna do a little soul body workout there. That's what we're gonna do this afternoon, and then honestly, we have a pretty chill day, so nice. People love those videos. This one. Cheaper one is fine. Yours. Oh wow.
That's where you cook the steak. The butter goes on there, and then the steak.
Oh.
Then you put the tsukemono. Team Black.
Yeah, we all coordinated.
We're all coordinated. I literally wear Max's sweaty gym t-shirt because I couldn't find anything. I'm like smelling. Yeah, it is. We just finished a workout. We did like a 30-minute little soul and body strength circuit and like a 5-minute ab, which was so good. I always say this, that the best investment is the investment you make into yourself, into your health. We actually have a 30% sale going on all Souls and Body memberships right now, which we literally never do. We never have sales throughout the year, only right now during like our Black Friday. So I'm gonna put the link down below. You can join the community there. I have tons of strength workouts, Pilates workouts, truly that you can do from anywhere. You can also find all my healthy recipes on there that I cook on a daily basis, and also some specialties for around the holidays, meal plans that I curate with a registered dietitian. Now is really your chance. Make the investment into yourself because baby, best investment you can make. Okay, we're gonna take a little hot bath in the onsen, and then we're gonna ready for our last dinner. This will be our last day in Japan, which is so crazy, but let's go. Today's our very last day. I'm honestly a little sad. Max is staying in Japan and he was like, I extended the hotel a couple of nights. I really want you to stay, and I was like, I don't want to leave. But unfortunately, some responsibilities are waiting at home. I'm honestly also really excited in one way to go home because I miss my dog Katsu so much. He is truly the freaking best. I was thinking I'd ask like where he is when we're traveling, and I think because he's so cute, we have so many friends who are willing to take care of him. So he's just running around somewhere with friends in Sherman Oaks where they have a big garden, and he's just like playing there. So I'm really happy that he's just in good hands, but I really want to see him. Like when I look at videos at night of him, which I do, I honestly, I could cry. Like that's how much I love him. I'm quickly going to get ready. I've been continuing to take a prenatal. So when I got pregnant, obviously it's really important to take a prenatal for like folic acid, like vitamin D, all of that. And they actually recommend it too if you're trying to conceive. I don't really know in like what stage we are now, to be honest. I wouldn't say we're trying to conceive. Obviously I'm trying to heal my body first, because you first need to have like a period after your D&C procedure, or after miscarriage, at least like one. I feel a lot of functional medicine doctors that I have talked to actually said you should wait 3 cycles, so that will be like 3 months. So yeah, I will see. I honestly feel really good. I haven't had my period yet, but it's also still early. It's only been like 4 weeks, so it can come in like the next few weeks. So yeah, I still take my little ones. These are actually from Ritual. Little makeup. You guys, the one product that truly changes everything, especially if you're in winter, is giving your face a little tan. I use these little drops from Tan Lux, the Face Illuminating Self Drops, and I mix a couple drops into my moisturizer. I kid you not, the next day you wake up, you just have a slight little tan on your face. You look so much healthier, and I always feel so much more glowy. And I do this maybe like once or twice a week, and every time I wake up the next morning, I'm like, wow, I feel like a new woman. I brought a couple to Japan here because we have honestly not really seen a lot of sunshine. It's been so much rain here. Girl, gotta stay a little bit tan. I'm also like, you know what's crazy? I have someone really close by to me right now that I thought was a friend completely broke my trust in every single way, and I think I have never really experienced it to that extent. I think I could never really feel like, you know, when people get mistreated once or they lose trust in a friend or in a partner or something, to regain that trust back. And I am going through this now with a close person next to me, a friend, and it really freaking sucks. Like, I thought I could trust this person with all my heart, and I'm finding out all of these things that I really can't. I start to like doubt a lot of things too, in like not other people, but maybe like new people I meet or relationships, because I always thought that I knew this person so well, and now it turns out I am not. I don't really know how to deal with it. Maybe it's also weird that it's like I'm 30 years old and now I'm like experiencing that, and I feel I have a very good sensor of people and people's energy and who I want to spend time with and who I don't. I think until this point I've never had to be in a situation where I completely distrusted someone and someone just completely fooled me. And you start to like kind of doubt a lot of other things around you as well. And I don't know if you've ever experienced with that, but it's like really crazy to kind of go through. I don't want to like distrust other people. I don't want to be questioning things like that because one person messed up to do that around other people. But I don't know, I can kind of understand now a little bit, like people who ever got cheated on, that you kind of take that way into like maybe other relationships or things like that, that you have distrust not only with your partner but just with a lot of future people around you. But yeah, it's just been like a little bit of a crazy time right now, but you know what, we're gonna get through it. I just don't like when people lie. That's really what it comes down to. Like, I feel honesty and trust is truly one of my core values, and once that gets kind of broken by someone, like, it is hard to kind of come back to. I have to say that. But anyway, me random. I didn't journal yet this morning. I think that's why I'm rambling here on the camera. I did not journal. I journal almost every morning. I love it so much. Even if it's like 5 minutes, I love putting my gratitude out there, things like that. I'm actually working on a very special journal right now for Soul Sync Body. So I'm really excited about that, because I've been playing around with different prompts and things like that, and things that I personally write down in my journal that I've also shared on the channel. But yeah, work in progress. All right, I am going to pack up a little bit, and then we are going to head up today. I'm so sad. The whole team is gonna meet for breakfast here. Then we're gonna head over to the airport, so